In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your audience and earn 20% reoccurring commission for an entire year with the TMetric affiliate program. And I'm also going to be giving you 2 free strategies at the end of this video on how you can promote this affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs in the world completely for free. Let's go ahead and get started. If you don't know what TMetric is, it's one of the best time tracking tools for freelancers, agencies, and remote teams, and it's being used by thousands and thousands of companies. And besides their time tracking, it also has many other features such as time reporting, so you can get detailed reports. It also has attendance tracking, so you can monitor employee attendance. It also has advanced time off tracking software, so you can handle PTO or vacation management super easily. It can also automate and simplify all your billing and invoicing. It can also handle all your project management and the budget for the different projects. And they also have a very beautiful dashboard where you can monitor your team's productivity. You can analyze the daily agenda and you can see the workload of different employees. TMetric has desktop apps for Windows, Mac, and even Linux. And on top of that, they have a mobile app for Apple as well as the Play Store, and browser extensions for all the major browsers. They've also built a ton of different integrations such as Notion, QuickBooks, Trello, Google Calendar, and much more. And this affiliate program is absolutely amazing if you have an audience of remote workers, freelancers, businesses, and agencies. The affiliate program pays very well at 20% reoccurring commission for 12 months. The cookie policy is 60 days, which is very good. And one of the things that's really good about this affiliate program is you can offer a promotion code so people are incentivized to sign up with you, and they'll get a 10% discount. And if they sign up for an annual plan, they will get a 35% discount. Signing up to the affiliate program is super easy because it's not on an affiliate network. You will apply directly with them. All you need to do is click the link down below in the description and then click Get a Link button right here. Then you can sign in with Google, or you can put in your name, email, and password and go ahead and click sign up. And once you've signed up, your referral link will be right here in the dashboard. And you can also see right above the referral link is the coupon that you can share with people. One way you can promote this affiliate program and make a lot of money is to create YouTube videos. You can do tutorial and review videos on TMetric. You can also create videos that are aimed at freelancers and agencies and developers that need time tracking. Another way you can make money is you can do blog posts about TMetric. You can review the platform, and then in your blog post you can put a link as well as the promotion code so people are incentivized to sign up with you. If you want to find more affiliate programs, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch. If you have any questions about the TMetric affiliate program, leave it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a